Hello, welcome back, guys. So this is again a short video, okay, regarding how you can enable your dark theme like a pro. I mean, if you want to make your windows look better with a dark theme, then let's get into it. Okay. So any further just talk, I'll show you how. Just click on it and click the pop-up window, and then just click on personalize option. Then let it zoom it for you. Go to the color function, okay, and then here let me zoom it for you. Choose your color. See this option, okay. Just click on it and you will see three options, okay. Three options to choose from it: light, dark, and custom. Let me show you. Have already saw what does the light option, and now you'll see the dark theme, okay. So just click on it and everything will be dark. Alright, fine, you got a dark theme, okay. But what's the third option? It is like a custom theme. You can have it. So as you can see here is written like choose your default Windows mode. It's dark. If you want to make it light, then I mean white or light, whatever, just click on it. And what will it do? It will change the taskbar, the toolbar color into white, and the start menu to white, and everything will be black. Every window, every pop-up you will show in black. File manager, everything will be black, okay. But if you choose the default app mode to light, everything will be light, okay. And if you choose the Windows mode to black, then it's dark. Start and taskbar and whatever toolbar is black, but the window pop-up will be white, okay. So you can make it dark. It's a custom theme, okay. So voila, this is it. And again, it's a little tips. I mean, if you want to choose your Windows color, like this one, it's gold or yellow, whatever you say. If you want to make it red, then just click on it, okay. Give me a second. You got it. See, yeah. So thanks again. Please subscribe to my channel. It's new. So let's see you in the next video. Thanks again.